Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to change car color in Photoshop. So let's get started. I want to change this car color. Create a hue and saturation layer and click on hand icon. Then eyedropper tool appears and just pick the color and increase the hue so the color is start changing. And see, your car color is changed, but it affect the floor as well. So select the layer mask and pick a soft round brush and brush with black. Increase the opacity and flow, and done. Here is the before and here is the after. Even you can change any color that you want, but I'm going with green one. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.